Today I'm going to show you how to download and export your Google Drive files from your Google Drive to your computer. Ladies and gentlemen, everything on your Google Drive is downloadable. Quite simply, click on the three dots and you'll see a download button. But let's say we want to click down and drag over all of these files here. Now you'll see at the top there's a download button there, and you'll be able to download all of these files. Now, if you are downloading multiple files, you will find that it will be downloaded in a zip folder, and then you'll have to extract those files from the zip folder because they're all being downloaded as into one folder. So over here it says zipping for files. Over here you'll see, and within the next few seconds, if you go up to your downloads, you'll find that it is starting the download. So we're just about finished with our download. Let's click on here. You'll see now that you can just literally click on the actual file. You'll see that here they are, and at the top you'll see extract all. Just click on this, it'll be extracted to this location, and then click on extract and you'll have all of your files that you've downloaded from Google Drive.